I will not be doing what that picture looks like right there, but let me tell you about this organic soya bean noodles. Guys, I recently discovered the soya bean noodles. I was actually very intrigued about this noodle when I seen it in the store, only because of the high protein and the fact that it's got fiber as well. So guys, it's a great source of complex carbohydrate which can help you keep full for longer. So that means you don't need to eat a lot. You know, you can just have your one bowl of pasta. Obviously this is not your traditional wheat pasta, so if you are looking to stay away from traditional wheat pasta and you kind of want to go on to the vegan, vegetarian, low carbs, this is it, you know, without feeling like you're not eating your spaghetti, you know. So I'm just going to make a quick 15-minute meal. I'm using bell peppers, I've got cucumber, I've got onions, and I'm going to just top it with some olives because I really want this meal to be jam-packed with goodness but yet simple at the same time. When it comes to the spices, guys, make sure that you use your own flavor options. You know, if you want to make it hot, you want to make it spicy, you want to make it mild, you want to turn it into like a curry noodle, whatever the case may be, you can use your own preferred spices. This noodle actually is not sticky at all, and it only takes about 5 to 10 minutes for it to cook through. And to be honest, you can eat it cold or hot. Once it's cooked through, all you need to do is, you know, jazz it up into your own variation. But guys, while I've got your attention, well, I hope I do anyway, welcome, and make sure that you help this channel by simply clicking that like button. And you know, if you want to see more content from me, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Okay, it's absolutely free. I'm not going to charge you, YouTube ain't going to charge you. All you gotta do is subscribe to support me so we can keep growing on this channel. But yeah guys, I'm just currently dusting a cucumber. Again, this is just cold toppings, you know, so it's just cold toppings. So I take the middle bit out. I don't know guys, do you like the middle part of the cucumber, like the seeded middle part? I like it, but I like my cucumber quite crunchy if I'm just making a cold salad, so I tend to take that bit out. But don't chuck it away, don't waste it away. Put some salt on it and you can still eat the middle part of the cucumber. But for now, I'm just not gonna add this to the recipe. So all I'm gonna do now is the noodles have cooked, boiled, I've put them to the side, and I'm just literally gonna take 5 minutes to do the hot part of the meal. I've added some oil. I'm just gonna bring it to you can see the steam coming from the oil, and all I'm gonna do now is add my bell peppers and my onion. If you want to fry the onion separate, you can. If you want to fry it together, you can. I just put it all in one because I don't want to overcook anything, so I just put it all into one. So once everything has come to a cook and it's nice and brown, I'm just gonna add my noodles, and all I'm gonna do here guys is add the spices to give it some flavor and taste, and just, you know, toss things around. I did add some soy sauce with it, just, and some extra spices. But guys, the spices is you, and all I'm gonna do is just keep flipping so that the noodles get all the coating. The thing about this noodle, right guys, that I did notice is that it doesn't coat as quickly as your traditional wheat spaghetti or other noodles, so you do have to toss it around quite a few times just to make sure that each individual has the flavor. But this is it guys, after 5 minutes it's all done. I'm just plating it up, and I'm just going to add some olives. You know, you don't have to add the olive, but this is just my preference. You know, obviously I'm just trying to jam pack this meal with as much goodness as possible, so I'm just adding the olives and I'm gonna now add my cucumber, so it just gives me that fresh taste as well. But guys, I hope you've liked the video, and I'll see you next time.